are pleased to show you the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, backup camera, traction control, stability control, tow hitch, remote engine start, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.